@MrC/D. Today we are at the land. We go about to ride to go on Soarin'. It's one of those. It's like the coolest ride here at Epcot. So yeah, and it's new remodeled, so we get to fly over the world. And yeah, here it is. All right, here we are on board Soarin'.
Soarin' to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Here we go. Ready for takeoff. Here we go. Hey, polar bear! And he fell in the water. More polar bears. A little cub one. Oh, hi, killer whale. Whoa! Got a little wet there. We're entering another country. Now we're on the savannah. Hey, elephants. The Great Wall of China. That's a really, 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 really long wall. Oh, the deserts. We're in Egypt. Giant pyramids. And here we are in India, the Taj Mahal. California. Mexico. Maybe I was wrong. On the islands. Over the Pacific Ocean. Oh, Rumble Waterfall! anyway, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for riding. We hope to see you right back in the future. Oh man, I feel like I've got another. I feel like I've been around the world now.